basically, I sit in the IT management sphere, so I'm sort of the link between technical and business. So I suppose there's two hats there. There's one making sure the technical team are doing what they need to, but actually, what I'll take away from this is more importantly making sure the business understands cyber a bit better and how I can get that information out to them, make them aware that there's responsibilities for everyone across the organization as far as cyber goes, and it's going to get more intense as months and years go on. Obviously, Armagh, you're very passionate about the subject, and you have a lot of knowledge and expertise here, and I think that really brought the course to life. Certainly for me, bringing real life examples in and being able to talk as you do about it, really enhanced the course and the delivery of the course. So thank you very much.